Hey, this is Beth. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we're on the Memorial Day Beverly Peak Ranch. There's a Carry the Loads, a 1 mile walk around the lake here. It started right over there on the other side of the pavilion. Went around this way, and then we decided to stop and climb the tower with a few other people. But it's awesome. The trail around the lake is 1 mile, and that's what everybody's carrying. Like, people walk the trail. We got mud holes. This is where the Spartan race was last weekend. I'm sure that right there was part of the race. That those 3 hills in the mud. But anyway, it's really cool. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Anyway, that's it. So we're having a good Memorial Day. It stopped raining. It rained all night and rained half the morning. But rain stopped about half an hour ago. Here's a hill country. Hill country. Texas hill country. So, anyway, see you later. Stop it.